subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo NEX S, the first truly bezel-less smartphone with no notch and a pop-up selfie camera, will be officially launched in India on July 19th. The Chinese smartphone maker has already sent out media invites for the event, and now a new leak reveals key details including price. According to My Smart Price, the Vivo NEX S will be exclusive to Amazon India and will be priced at 48,990. The report says the pricing details for the upcoming smartphone were found on Amazon's website. They will likely be two variants, 128GB and 256GB, and the pricing which was leaked are for the lower variant. There will also be some launch day offers. The Notify Me page also reveals that the smartphone will be available for pre-order starting July 19th at 1 p.m. The launch event is scheduled for 12 noon on July 19th in New Delhi. The pricing is significantly lower than the Oppo Find X that was announced in India yesterday. The two phones offers true bezel-less design with no notch, although the Find X has a much more elaborate motorized slider system that includes both the front and the rear cameras. The NEX S in comparison has a similar motorized model for just the front camera. Both phones are, however, significantly more expensive than the OnePlus 6, which has similar hardware specifications but no fancy sliding cameras. The NEX S is expected to be called just NEX in India. So what do you guys think of the NEX S price in India? Do let us know in the comment section below. And as always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share. And for more tech updates, subscribe to our channel TechSole Blog. Thank you and see you guys in the next one.